shopping cart? Milk or juice? We love to go camping in nature. We can turn on our flashlights and listen to the crackle of the fire. There are lots of noises on the farm. Listen to the tractor.